I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for this week, we're on week 20, is encyclopedia page, a bag, I've got this suitcase, a chimney, there's a chimney up here, a cancellation mark, I've got this cancellation mark that's on this faux stamp, a shoe or shoes, I've got that. And the bonus is an oval, and I'm using this frame. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP20 to see what everyone else has made. So I am just going to tear a little bit of this page. Let's see here. I am a little bit behind. I'm filming this Sunday night. Hopefully it'll be up in the morning. Today is my birthday, and I have turned 60, so it's been a busy day. My sweet sons took me out for lunch, and my oldest son's girlfriend came, of course my husband, and it was really good. I love a day where I don't have to cook. And my husband had got me a birthday cake, so we had dessert when we came home. And Saturday was my anniversary. We've been married 39 years. And he got me some red roses. And he fixed me ribeyes on Thursday, because that was the day we all could kind of eat together. And he grilled them for me, and they were so good. It's been years since we've been able to grill ribeyes because they're so expensive. We used to do it on Christmas Eve, and the last couple of Christmases, we just could not afford it. So he got them for me for anniversary. I gotta say, they were wonderful. Okay, I think it goes this way. So I'm gonna see how I want to lay this out. I'm more concerned with the chimney there. And let's see, we have got the shoe. We have got the bag and the cancellation mark. See. It's not too bad. Get this tacked down. I don't know if I could have found a smaller chimney. The houses just tend to go with it. And my sweet sons gave me a gift cards for my birthday for PM Artist Studio. And I ordered some stencils and a couple of foam stamps. So I am very excited about that. Can't wait for them to come in. I've been wanting to jelly print. My friend Maggie of Journaling with Maggie does a lot of jelly printing, and it's giving me the itch. I love doing it. I just don't tend to do it because of the mess. But I'm going to have to quit that and start doing what I love to do. That like that. And get that shoe down. than that, it's not been a whole lot going on, but that's a lot. I've been busy cleaning some. I've been so tired lately. Maybe hitting 60s doing it. Okay, now I want to, let's see here. Got everything down. See if I could get some of this to pop. Find my Stabilo all. And we'll just kind of bring that out from the background just a little. There we go. And behind them, I'm watching videos again. Not enough hours in the day. Like that. Maybe around the stem. Just to help it to pop out just a little bit. Don't see much of the page. Probably should have moved it to the top. Well, let's see here. Get this. Well, it's not working. It's got water. There we go. There we go. We are cooking with grease now. And my sweet son's girlfriend, she gave me a roll of fabric. They're the squares. I mean, it's a big roll. I was excited about that. And she gave me a cute, it's like a glass with a wooden top with a metal straw. And it's a Harry Potter themed. It says herbology. It's so cute. I love it. For Mother's Day, my sons had gotten me the fourth Goblet of Fire of the big illustrated books. So I'm rereading those books so I can read it. But it's odd, there's another one out, the Order of the Phoenix, and the next one, the Half-Blood Prince, is supposed to come out in October, but the very last one is not coming out until 2028. Those books have been a long time coming. I guess it's the illustrations of them. They are so cool. And as I'm just kind of reading along, I'm still reading the Kendra Elliott book that I've been reading. I'm almost done with it. And I'm still reading, listening to the last of, somehow the Nameless audios by Dean Koontz are seasons. And I'm on the last episode of season 1. I've only got, probably about 15 more minutes left in that one. I listen to it when I'm walking, and I didn't get to walk too much last week. Okay, I like that. It kind of brought it out just a little bit. Okay, and I do want to add a few splatters. I was going to work on this Saturday, and I spent forever trying to find my art glitter glue. And I was really upset, you know, for some reason. I know it's just a number, but my 60th birthday has hit me hard. And sometimes, my grandmother had dementia, so that's always on my mind, and I know I keep that glue in the same spot. So I'm just like freaking out, thinking I'm finally losing my mind, being silly. And it ended up, I put a sheet over my desk to keep my cats off of some of my stuff here. And the glue had stuck to the sheet, and I didn't realize it because I just kind of had it wadded up. And it just, I'm not kidding, it took me forever trying to look for that. And then I really thought I'd lost my mind. I was looking under the floor, on the floor, under the desk, just everywhere. But anyway, let's see what we have here. We have got our encyclopedia page. We've got a bag, chimney, a cancellation mark, shoe or shoes, and the bonus is an oval. And I've got that frame. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. I hope your week's great. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think. So y'all take care. And I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.